Parents' desire for control. A long and complex journey of confusion. For parents, the emergence of a desire to control their children is a long and complex process. Children typically take over 20 years to grow from birth to adulthood, entering the workforce, and even establishing their own families. During this time, parents' desire for control gradually develops and becomes deeply ingrained. This desire for control can bring about a series of social and familial conflicts, becoming some of the most confounding issues in many young people's lives. They may feel overly meddled with, unable to fully control their own lives, and it may even strain their relationships with their parents. This long-standing desire for control places psychological pressure and challenges on young people. It may unknowingly confine children's growth within a certain framework, leading them to feel lost and powerless about the future. Sometimes, parents' desire for control stems from a wish to protect and care for their children, but excessive control may lead to rebellion and struggle. Parents should provide guidance and care while also granting their children enough freedom and autonomy. Excessive control can make children feel confined, limiting the development of their interests and personality, and may even impact their self-esteem and confidence. As children grow into young adults, they may feel uneasy due to their parents' desire for control. This unease can lead to resentment towards their parents and negatively affect their relationships and career development. Young people may struggle to make independent decisions and pursue their dreams freely due to excessive parental interference. They may feel overwhelmed by pressure and even experience self-doubt. Society should also pay closer attention to this issue and seek appropriate solutions to help young people deal with the challenges brought by parents' desire for control. Schools and communities can provide resources and support to help young people learn how to communicate with their parents and build healthy parent-child relationships. Through providing psychological counseling and emotional support, we can help young people alleviate the pressure from their parents' desire for control. Parents need to learn how to control their desire appropriately, avoiding letting their control dominate their children's freedom and growth. They can engage in open communication with their children to understand their needs and wishes, providing necessary guidance and support. At the same time, parents must respect their children's choices, allowing them to grow through experimentation. Such communication helps build mutual trust, making children more willing to share their thoughts and experiences with their parents. Additionally, parents should continue self-reflection and adjust their desire for control. When facing their children's life choices, parents can offer advice without forcing their children to act according to their will. Respecting children's independent thinking and decision-making ability allows them to learn responsibility through experience and grow from it. In such situations, parents should continuously reflect on their own behavior during their children's growth process to assess whether they are overly interfering in their children's lives. By establishing equal and open dialogue, parents can better understand their children's needs and provide appropriate guidance and support when needed. Such communication not only aids children's healthy growth but also helps maintain family harmony, while providing support and guidance to their children. Parents also need to give them enough autonomy and space to help them develop independence and a sense of responsibility. Parents can encourage their children to explore their interests and build confidence by respecting their choices. Children need a supportive environment that provides them with ample autonomy and exploration opportunities during their growth. This requires parents to adopt an open mindset and a thoughtful attitude towards their children. During this process, parents should lead by example, demonstrating respect and understanding while encouraging their children to express their ideas and opinions. Meanwhile, parents should also learn to establish trust and respect in their relationships with their children. This means not only granting them freedom and support but also actively listening to their thoughts and feelings. Through this bidirectional communication and understanding, parents can better assist their children in facing challenges and hardships as they grow. So, how can parents ensure that while guiding and caring for their children, they also allow them space for free growth and the pursuit of their dreams? This is a question worth pondering and requires parents to continuously explore and adjust in practice. Through reasonable guidance and communication, we can help children grow healthily while maintaining harmonious parent-child relationships. What do you think?